Good evening, everybody. This is Jack TV, one of the best TV station online. I'm just gonna show you some business right now that's going good business in the world. So now, this guy, you can see, is gonna give you all the information how these things work because you buy all kind of product you see from there. That's right. Give me a call. Give me a call right now, which is my number. You see it in the bottom of the screen. 954-822-1723. And I say, I can help you with any information. I can help you. Just give me a call and try me. I'm telling you straightforward. Try me to see if I can do what I see how it's going to be done for you. So at this period of time, you see all my Spanish people also that listen to me. Para ahora mismo, para todo español que escuchame ahora mismo, llámelo ahora mismo. 954-822-1723. Otra vez. 954-822-2723. No, 1723, lo siento. 1723. Mi teléfono se pasando para baja. Llámalo, es una cosa para usted. Tú necesitas entrar a esta compañía rápido para ahora mismo. Si que tú necesitas food, si que tú necesitas food. All my people, get in this business right now. This is no time to waste. If you don't get to it, I'm gonna get your people. I don't play no game. My advertising, I have people see, millions of people see me on a daily basis. So therefore, if I get a percentage of 2 or 5, yes, yeah, I'm already making big time about it. So for millions of people. So if you want to get in this business, do not waste any time. Do not waste any time to get in it right now. So this is the best opportunity for I could see for you. So you need food all the time, every day. So why don't you just give it food? Let me like this, I'll click this for more information to you. That's right. There we go, that's right. That's correct. You are supposed to tell the truth. Tell it the way it's supposed to be told. That's right. Okay, good part. This is a good idea. That's the way to tell about people. Small people talk about people. Average people talk about things. And great people talk about idea. That's where I'm coming from, the idea. To make something happen, to make everybody's life easier. To make your life easier. So if you want to get in this business, don't waste any time. I'm telling you straightforward. Get my number right now, you see, and then ask me a little bit more. But I do give you all the knowledge, I see. You see all this thing I'm doing? I do it for you. Because me, I already got money, I don't give a crap. But I'm just trying to help out. Because I see this is the people that suffer, they need food. I see when it's coming money, I got money. Money's got money. It's like water. I don't have no problem with that. I say, but I just want to help you. So because I want to help you, you help me also. That's the reason why I get this thing done right there. So I get moving. Get the ball start rolling. It's gonna start rolling slowly. You know, say, but when that thing goes start rolling, it's like a choo-choo train. Like choo, 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 choo. The train is gone. Nobody can stop it. All the people that we used to talk to, yeah, this is why. Another one again. Another one, did you tell the person who said they will start eating? You go to a restaurant after you finish this or you taste a bad food, do you start eating or you still continue to get something to go to the restaurant after that? Share, sell all of these things. You are talking about Walmart. Walmart is big. He has all the product you need to sit there online. So look at this. I'm telling you the truth. I'm not lying to you. Do I lie to you? Do you see me lying? Everything I see there, you see the $100 bill, the Benjamin. The Benjamin, I'm looking for it. Can you get it? Can you get it? I can't get it. Listen. The business of 21st century. That's the perfect business. I love it. You see the baby, they always want something to eat. You gotta be moving. Your boy got out here, so it's just gonna blow up. I have an NBA account, a nice bank account. So you see, like, you make everybody, you make good money. You say people gonna be like, oh, what are these guys doing? What kind of business this guy's doing? I don't see him go to work more like me. And now you're driving a Mercedes Benz. Yeah, right. I've been sitting home and work out my butt off. I work out hard. And I also party hard also. When I work hard, I work hard. I work hard. I work hard for my money. So nobody gonna tell me to ask for money. Because I'm not gonna give you a dime. You have to make your own money. I'll tell you that straightforward. Alright? So I limit time now. I'm just gonna finish it. Get my own back. This is again 954 822 1723. Get it right. 954 822 1723.